welcome back. I coordinated free haircuts, and that was by Varina Day Spa and RVA Refuge. Also, Hands on Richmond donated backpacks with supplies in them.
I got the Philadelphia Eagles book.
The black one? We'll have Reese help you out.
There you go.
And then we had the big blue bus here. We had the fire department here, just to get the kids excited and the families excited about our school year. We want them to come in confident, feeling excited about the year. So having their haircuts and book bags and supplies, hopefully that will get them into school feeling happy and excited.
I wonder what this is.
See something you like?
Thank you. All right, there you go. Good job. All right, darling.
I've been at Varina Elementary now for 15 years. I know the community pretty well now. And so the kids, when they come in, most of them know me. It was just a bright light to see them and give them hugs and get them ready for the year. So. It warms my heart to see that, you know, they're happy, that we are all trying to come together as a community, as a school. Building relationships is key, and doing that is what I tried to do this year. So the families know that Varina Elementary is here to support them.